Hey guys, welcome to class. Today we're going to work on how you approach word problems. You may have heard a lot of things about them, but I promise you they're not that hard. Right now I've put up a list of keywords that you're going to use to help you to translate these words into the math you already know how to do. Before we start, there's two things I want you to know. The first thing is stay organized. That's going to help you a lot when you start tackling these problems. The second is watch your units. Since we're dealing with word problems here, a lot of these will be about money, objects, or specific units of, say, example, miles or distance. So now for this first problem, I want Priyanka to come up here and identify either important numbers or specific words she sees that are on that list or the ones on your paper.
So the two numbers that I see are 50 cents.
Okay, very good.
And 6 apples. And
Okay.
then words from this list that I see are this word right here of.
Okay, and what does that word mean?
It means to multiply.
Okay, now say, you know you have 6 apples, and each one costs 50 cents.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you think you should do with those numbers based on the word you found?
So I want to figure out how much I paid for 6 of them. So I should do 6 apples times 50 cents.
Mm-hmm.
And that equals $3.
Perfect.
So for 6 apples, I paid $3.
Perfect. That wasn't too bad now, was it? All right, Shruti, do you want to try number 2?
Sure.
Same way, just nice and easy.
I see this number 10, apples, and the key word I see is combine.
Okay, so when you combine, you need 2 things, right?
Yes.
So how many apples did you bring home?
6.
Okay, and then your sister brought home
10.
Okay, so how many, when you combine them, what are you going to do?
Just going to add 10 and 6 to get 16 apples.
Perfect. Notice I should use apples. All right. Brenda, do you want to do the last one?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, let's identify what we're doing here. So, you see any words that stand out to you?
4,
Okay.
and I see per.
Okay. So now, you want to share the apples with the 4 friends you have over. How many apples do you have?
We have 16.
And what does per tell you to do?
We're going to divide. So we have 4. And then that's going to be 4.
Okay. Do you see something else you might add? What are you giving them? For what?
Apples.
Very good. Very good, guys. So like I said, the math's really easy. It's just translating it from the words you already see up here to the math you already know. Now, I have a little song that I'm going to teach you to help you learn these problems. All right, guys. Like I said, we're going to be learning a song that's going to help you remember these words, translate these problems. Now, I've given you all printouts of the song, and then we're going to go through it a couple times. Sound good? All right. If you see increased more than sum plus or total, or you see combined together, you just have to add. Hey, if you see decreased by from, less or fewer than, or the words difference between, you will subtract. If you see the words times of or product, you'll be fine because you know exactly how to multiply. Hey, you may see ratio, quotient, per, or each. If you do, don't you fret, all you do is divide. Hey, when you see is, are, was, where, or will be, then you'll know some things are equal. Now you know all your important key words. When you see a word problem, you'll say hooray. Hooray! Good job, guys.